This is Bernard Henry from KSCB IT Solutions. Got done doing a project for somebody. And then I got bored, so I said, well, let me go see what's on the network here. And I'm just monitoring traffic on the network that I'm on with a little piece of software that I have. And I'm just basically looking at what people are doing on the network. Let me see here. I'm going to look at the internet traffic that's been generated and seeing where people are going. So, and some of this stuff, your network administrator will be doing. If you work in an office building or something like that, and you're on a computer, your network administrator or IT person can normally, if something's going on with the network, it's acting funky, somebody is using a lot of bandwidth, they will then probably use this program or use something similar to monitor and see where the hell and what's going on. Like I got somebody with an IP, and I know it look like a bunch of numbers and stuff like that. It does. But let's see here. Like if you can see where this cursor at, it says Indeed.com. That means somebody with this address is on Indeed, probably filling out a job or looking for something. And it even tells me pretty much what they were using. So the user agent right here, the user agent was Mozilla. So they were using Mozilla to look at some stuff on Indeed. And it'll capture your traffic too. They also, let me clear here. They also use it to talk to one another on the network. So you have little protocols, ARP and TCP, HTTP. These are protocols on the network that is used to communicate with other devices and things on the network. I'm connected to the network through Wi-Fi. So, they're going, so I only can see what's on the network. So all the devices that's hooked up on this network, I can see them and see where they're going and see what they're doing. It's pretty much a packet sniffing program, and it actually, let me go to see who's talking to the DNS, which is domain name server. People are talking to the DNS. Let's see who's doing what. So, a lot of stuff being queried by the DNS. Some stuff on Google. If you can look, somebody was querying some stuff on Google. I see a lot of Google. Same thing with Indeed. Somebody was doing some stuff on Indeed. So, got some other stuff. Somebody was looking at the NFL. You can look at that. Somebody was carrying something from the NFL. So, your network administrator will normally use a program like this if his network becomes boggled down or running slow. Somebody sucking up a lot of bandwidth. He has a program of some sort, or a veteran network administrator will have some tool like this available to him so he can use, so he can traffic your network. The reason why I said that is because I just witnessed somebody saying, I can't believe the IT guy came to me and said I was doing X, Y, and Z, and then the person tried to lie. And like, if you don't know how to do IP spoofing or anything like that, they're gonna find out exactly what station it came from, because they're the one who set up your workstation, so they know how to track your IP address. I know how to do it, and I'm somewhat of a novice. So, in that, good stuff though. I suggest people understand you can't be at work doing whatever you want to do. It's just a good way of just understanding how networks are working and how you can get caught doing something you're supposed to do. Well, I'm going to finish playing around with this. Also, this doesn't work for SSL sites, but you can recover people's passwords